PT200 Rotor Comprehensive Fault Simulation Test Bench, designed exclusively for vibration analysis, teaching, and fault diagnosis research. It can simulate the transient process and steady-state operating condition of the vibration state of rotating machinery, and a variety of common rotating machinery failures, such as rotor dynamic balance, bearing failure, misalignment, mechanical loosening, planetary gear components, and a variety of common rotating mechanical failures and fault feature analysis. Support angle misalignment and parallel misalignment simulation. Supports replacement of inner ring, outer ring, rolling element, retainer and comprehensive fault bearing. Collect vibration and noise characteristic signals. Optional fault items. Planetary gearbox fault research. Sun gear, planetary gear, large ring gear. Fault type: missing teeth, wear, broken teeth, cracks. The PT200 test bench adopts a high-performance servo motor, which drives the rotating shaft through a coupling. The test platform can be directly controlled via the touch screen on the control cabinet, realizing stepless speed regulation from 0 to 3000 RPM, rated speed 3000 RPM, maximum speed 6500 RPM, and supporting fault experiments including speed acceleration and deceleration, steady speed operation, simulated rotor unbalance, misalignment, rubbing, bearing faults, and torque loading. The test bench base is made of aluminum profiles, and a cast iron base is available as an alternative. The rotor dynamic balance test can be carried out by adding weights. An electric eddy current sensor bracket is mounted on the upper side of the measuring gear disc. By turning the screw counterclockwise, it gently touches the shaft surface, producing friction. There are nylon rods and copper rods to choose from. At the same time, friction experiments can be conducted in both vertical and horizontal directions. The dynamic torque sensor can display operating parameters such as torque, speed, and power in real time. The magnetic powder load brake can be connected to the planetary gear drive system, so that the output torque of the magnetic brake can be freely controlled by adjusting the current, so that the load change of the mechanical drive shaft system can be quantitatively changed. It supports speed regulation ranging from 0 to 6500 RPM and is equipped with an LCD control cabinet for speed adjustment. Working voltage: single-phase AC 0 to 240 V, 50/60ths of a hertz, and plugs conforming to standards of different countries are optional. All components are precisely machined with tiny tolerances to ensure stable operation during testing. It is suitable for university teaching and fault mechanism research, and supports fault diagnosis algorithm verification, feature analysis, and eddy current displacement detection teaching. The PT200 is built for real mechanical fault diagnosis teaching and scientific research.